period. Like, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these brows. This is just my eyebrow routine, my everyday eyebrows. Well, not my everyday eyebrows, but how I do my eyebrows when I wear makeup. This is how I like to do my eyebrows personally. I like a more darker brow, but still like natural, quote unquote. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve these brows, honey, okay, if you want to see how I achieve these brows, let's just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm halfway, well not halfway, I'm like in the beginning stages of doing my makeup, and I just thought that I would show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Doing my eyebrows is pretty simple. I don't know, it really doesn't take me that long to do my eyebrows. And yeah, I do my own eyebrows. I shape them myself. They're growing back, but I'm probably gonna get them waxed in like a couple weeks. So I just, you know, shape them myself. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So basically the two things that I use for my eyebrows is I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I either do dark brown or medium brown because sometimes the dark brown can be a little too harsh, but that's just the color I have right now. But I suggest when you do your eyebrows and you get a pomade, get a shade, one shade lighter than your hair color, because sometimes you can be heavy-handed with pomades and then your eyebrows are looking real dark. But I personally like dark eyebrows, so it doesn't really bother me too much. And then I also just use the Anastasia brush that comes with it. Literally the name rubbed off, so I have no idea what it is, but you literally get it in the same section you get this. So yes, and I love this stuff. So basically what I do is I just stroke some on the brush and I comb my eyebrows out upwards so I can see the shape of my brow. Then I just take it and I start off in the middle first. Like I start off literally right here and I start lining the top and the bottom and then filling it in. So I literally just filled in that small section, and then it kind of depends for me. Either I'll just start working my way to the bottom, or I just do like the line at the top. I think I'm just gonna do the line at the top first. I just underline the bottom. I don't do the top, I just do the bottom. I don't want it to be like a really harsh line. And then I just take more of my dip brow. Now I'm about to do the tail of my brow. Now I'm gonna start lining the bottom, and then I'm gonna fill it in and then do the top. For my tail, I like my eyebrows a little longer, so that's pretty about what I do. But you can just drag it down, you know, make the line really sharp. But you're gonna make the line sharp with concealer anyway when you carve it out. But yeah, so, and then with the front, I just take my spoolie and I just go up. I use the side of the brush to put a little product in it, but you know, it's kind of like the ombre brow thing. You don't want it fully dark at the front of your brow. And that's all I do, and I'm about to do the same thing to the other side. Now we're about to carve out my eyebrow. This is the most important part. This is what honestly makes or break your eyebrow. It's how well you carve them out. So I use Fawn to carve the top, and then I'll use either the same concealer as I have on my face, which is this one, the Juvia's Place in a shade 15. I use that to carve the bottom, or I use another LA Girl concealer. And the brush that I'm going to use to carve out the bottom is this brush. It's just like this type of brush. I have no idea what brand this is. It could be Elf, but I'm not 100% sure. So to carve the bottom, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer, my brush, and just dip it in there. Try not to get too much because I don't want to OD on this. And then you just basically line it. Like, it's kind of hard to explain, but this you have to really take your time and be careful because you don't want to mess it up. I mess it up every single time and I just go back over it, and it's perfectly fine, but still, you want to take your time. They look crazy because I have all the concealer under it, but when my makeup is done, then it kind of makes sense, and it's like, oh, okay, I understand the vision. But right now it's kind of just like, oh, okay. So I'm gonna be back with y'all, and then I'll show you guys the finished product of my eyebrows. But this is just them raw, like concealered, all that good stuff. Okay guys, so that is the end of my eyebrow tutorial. That's just how I do my eyebrows. I just wanted to finish my makeup really quick just so I could show you guys the like final product. But yeah, this is my eyebrows, like, period. Like, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Comment down below any videos you guys want to see or anything. I will do that for you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.